Yes, my people, you're welcome once again to Igbo Gist TV, where you learn Igbo language the easiest way. Today, we're going to continue with the alphabet Fi. Fi in Igbo. This letter is called Fi. For, blow. For, blow it. For ya, blow it. For yon, blow it. For yon, afụla ya ọnụ in the negative. Don't blow it. Afụla ya ọnụ. Fanye. Fanye is squeeze. Fanye ya n'akpa gị. Fanye ya n'akpa gị. Squeeze it into your bag. In the negative, afanyela ya n'akpa gị. Don't squeeze it into your bag. Gị, the letter G. Gị, go, read. Go, read. Go letter, read this letter. Go letter, read this letter. Agụla letter, don't read this letter. Biko agụla letter. Gee ntị, gee ntị, listen. Gee m ntị, listen to me. Egela ntị, don't listen. Don't listen. Egela ya ntị, don't listen to him or her. Don't listen to him. Ghee, fry. Like in fry plantain. Ghee ji, fry yam. Biko ghere m ji. Please fry yam for me. Biko ghere m ji. Eyela, don't fry. Gwe, the letter gwe. Gwa, gwa is tell. Gwa m eziokwu. Tell me the truth. Gwa m eziokwu. Gwa tell. Agwala ya eziokwu. Don't tell him the truth. Don't tell him the truth. Agwala ya eziokwu. He, horo. Horo is select. Horo. We have also hicha, clean. Hicha anya gị. Hicha oche, clean the chair. Hicha anya gị, clean your eyes. Ehichala oche, don't clean the chair. Ehichala oche. Hapụ, for he also. Hapụ, leave. Hapụ m aka, leave me. Leave me alone, like someone is holding you. Ahapụla, don't leave. Ahapụla ya aka, don't leave him. Don't let him go. Ahapụla ya aka. E. The letter E comes up. Usually it's a vowel, so it doesn't have any command. And so we go to G. Jide. Jide, hold. Jide ya, hold it. Jide ya, hold it. Ejidela ya, don't hold it. Ejidela ya, don't hold it, please. Ejidela ya aka. Jụọ, ask. Jụọ, ask. Jụọ ya aha ya. Jụọ ya aha. Ask him the name. Jụọ ya, ajụla. Don't ask him question. Don't ask him question. Ajụla. Ki comes up and we have kele. Kele papa gị. Greet your father. Kele papa gị. Kele mama gị. Ekelela ya. Ekelela ya. Don't greet him. Kụọ, knock. It can also be hit or to hit someone, all right? So, kụọ aka n'ụzọ means knock on the door. Kụọ ya ihe, hit him. When you want someone to beat someone, say, kụọ ya ihe, beat him. Akụla ya ihe, don't beat him. Don't beat him. Akụla ya ihe. Kpị, can you say it? Kpị. Kpọọ, call. Kpọọ, call. Kpọọ Emeka, call Emeka. Kpọọ Emeka, call Emeka. Kpọrọ m Ifeanyị, call Ifeanyị for me. Call Ifeanyị for me. Akpọla Emeka, don't call Emeka. Akpọla ya, don't call him. Akpọla Emeka. Akpọla m, don't call me. Akpọla m, don't call me. Sometimes we say akpọzila m, don't call me. Stop calling me. Kpee. Kpee could be like report or judge or pray. So, kpee ekpere, pray. Say your prayer. Kpee ikpe a. Give this judgment, judge this case. So say kpee ikpe a, judge this case. Ekpela can be don't pray or don't judge. Ekpela ikpe a, don't judge this case. Ekpela ikpe a, don't judge this case. Kwe, the next letter, kwe, the twin alphabet. Kwe, kwere, believe. Believe. Kwere. kwere na Chukwu, believe in God, ọ ga-adịrị gị mma. Ekwela, don't believe, ekwekwala, don't believe. Ekwela na Chukwu, don't believe in God if you like. Kwuo is speak or say. Kwuo, say something. Kwuo means say something. All right, when something is happening, someone say kwuo. Kwezioku, say the truth. Kwezioku, kihere me ekwensu. Ekwula okwu, don't say anything. It's like ekwukwala okwu, don't say anything. All right. Kwụsị stop. Kwụsị means stop. Kwụsị ịṅụ mmanya, stop drinking alcoholic drinks. Stop drinking alcohol. Kwụsị isi asị, stop lying. Kwụsị isi asị, stop lying. Kwụsị ịkpọ ya, stop calling him. Kwụsị ịkpọ ya. Lee, look. Lee m anya, look at me. Lee m anya. Lee anya n'elu, look up. Look up. Elela anya n'elu, don't look up. Don't look up. Elela anya n'elu. Lawa, go. Like someone came to your house. Lawa, go home. Alala, don't go. Please, alala, don't go. Please like us and Dalo Rinne. Thank you so much for joining us once again. Thanks a million times. See you next time. Kemesia is see you next time. Okay, so watch out for the next lesson, the lesson 3, giving commands in Igbo, coming your way very soon at Igbo Gist TV, where Igbo language is simplified. Learning Igbo is simplified here. All right, bye.